Namaste to everyone. This is M. Srinivaslu, English faculty from DA High School, RTP Township. Today we are going to see the third unit, class 10th English, with the theme called Human Relations. And now we are in the A reading called The Journey. Before that, let us have a look at the author. Eshi Dorji Tongshi. His author was born in May 1952. Is a prominent name in Assamese literature. Assam is a state. The language that is spoken in Assam is called as Assamese. Though he grew up in poverty, he studied well and entered Arunachal Pradesh civil service and later elevated to the Indian Administrative Service. Arunachal Pradesh civil services are nothing but called Group 1 officers in the state we call. So he was first elected to be a Group 1 officer in Arunachal Pradesh. Later he became IAS officer to serve in any place in India. He writes fiction, drama and essays in Assamese and English. So he has two languages he was very eloquent with. He writes fiction. Fiction means long, lengthy narrative, like a novel. Drama, I think you know very well. So dialogues and curtain and stage. Essays, writing anything over something in a descriptive way is nothing but called essays. He received national recognition for his novel Mauna Aut Mukkar Hriday. What is that? Mauna Aut Mukkar Hriday, which won the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2005. So many Tongsi's novels, including Sonam, deal with the cultural life of Monpa and the Sherdukpen tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. We identify these Assamese people are even influenced with the neighboring countries like Bangladesh and others. There are so many languages that are local that are spoken by the people. Many of them had no script for the matter of fact, except one or two like Assami and other. So let us find about his inner view of the journey of life, and it is completely deals with human relations that we keep in mind then, and then let us just get into it. I first wanted to read the lines before we get into the interaction. So the journey is said to be the journey of life. Life is a journey. So it is like it will be like a continuous process. It will not end anywhere. Either with me or with you or with someone else, it will not end. It is a continuous process. Let me read. After spending a leisurely Sunday at home, the very thought of returning to work on Monday is tiring. Lethargy creeps in if the holiday continues over an extended period. That is how I felt when I was preparing to return to my place of work after spending 6 months at home. In fact, that I was to leave behind my newly wed wife and go to far off place did not help either. Obviously, I did not want to go. So these are nothing but called complete views and thoughts of our author called Eshi Dorji Tongshi, and he is saying himself at the first opening lines. You see, after spending a leisurely Sunday, it is a common question to all of us. Once we spend a holiday like Sunday at home, coming back to school on Monday is a little bit troubling. We cannot get up to be thought of sleeping a little more extra time and so on. So that is what he is saying. Leisurely Sunday, nothing but on Sunday we keep no important works that is related to your work. For example, if you are all students writing and all, generally we don't keep, we try to enjoy on Sundays. And this is what the idea is. The very thought of returning to work on Monday is tiring. Tiring means very, very painful, very, very heavy when you think on. So coming back on Monday to school is really, really, very, very difficult for the children, they say. There was a novel, it is like Tom Sawyer. We see even there is another one called as Huckleberry Finn. So in the Huckleberry Finn, we identify how does Finn feels very difficult in coming to school on Monday is described there. also known to you. Sometimes our parents need to give a push to come to school. However, so lethargy creeps in. Lethargy means no lack of enthusiasm, no energy, nothing. We feel completely our all energy was drained off. So creeps in, creep, it comes, climbs into our mind and heart. When holiday continues over an extended period of time. If the holidays are being continued for some period of time, like 10 days, 15 days, now it is a time you go under COVID-19, you see you have spent a lot of time. I even guess it's maybe difficult for you to come to school and continue your previous learning process because you have spent some time which is very, very pleasant to you, maybe. It is very difficult according to others. That is how I felt when I was preparing to return to my workplace. So what he spent nearly 6 months at home, nearly 6 months at home like you during COVID-19. And to come back to workplace, it is even very, very difficult to him. He said and shared one important point. Why did he spend 6 months at home without being in work? And why is he feeling so bad to leave the house and come? So here the point he says, in fact, that I was to leave behind my newlywed wife. Actually, he got married before 6 months. That is how he spent all these 6 months with his newlywed wife. There is so many other things are there with the newly couple. We need not to discuss that. So, however, he was feeling very bad to leave his newlywed wife at house and come to the workplace alone. That is the point. And go to far off place did not help either. Far off is another word. For example, if it is nearby, he may go by morning and he may come back by evening to meet his newlywed wife. But the point is, it's a far off place, too much distance. Once you go, there is so much difficulty in coming back. After months only you can come. So that is what the point here. So it is a long distance, he cannot come by evening. So that is how we feel very, very bad to leave his wife and go to the workplace after spending 6 months at home. Obviously, I did not want to go. So initially he thought he don't want to go at all because he had a great attachment at home that is in the form of a newlywed wife. That's what the ideology of the author in presenting himself to go to the work after 6 months. Check out once then. He has given general statement. Any person feels comfortable spending time on Sunday, but it is difficult for them to come on Monday to work. Similarly, I also felt very, very tired and feel very bad after I need to come after 6 months to the workplace. And he said the main reason that he is feeling very, very bad that he got married before 6 months. He spent all the 6 months with his wife, and he don't want to leave his wife and go to far off place, and that he did not like to go. So that's all, my students. We'll meet in the further video with some more lines of this. Please read the text more thoroughly and practice question.